Hello, my friends. Welcome. Okay, just let me know. Are you using these two words always? Beautiful and cute. Maybe sometimes pretty also. If yes, then stay with me. We will learn some new words right now. Not just beautiful and not only cute, okay? Keep watching, stay connected, and we will learn now. Alluring. Alluring means attractive. Attractive. For example, his alluring smile, okay? While it's not an example, now it is. Life in a big city is alluring for young people. Appealing. Appealing means interesting, okay? His dressing sense is too appealing. His dressing sense is too appealing. Charming. Charming means pleasing. He has a very charming personality. He has a very charming personality. Dazzling. Dazzling means shining, something bright. A dazzling smile, a dazzling bride. Delicate. Delicate. It means something soft. Baby's skin are so delicate. Elegant. Elegant means graceful. Graceful. My best friend's dressing sense is so elegant. Now we will learn fascinating. Fascinating means attractive. Sunrise and sunset is endlessly fascinating. Gorgeous. Gorgeous means beautiful. Beautiful. My best friend always looks gorgeous. It's a fact. Graceful. Graceful means stylish. She is a graceful young woman with delicate features. Marvelous. Marvelous means amazing. He has a marvelous collection of shoes. Pleasing. Pleasing means satisfying. Satisfying. Green leaves in a park are pleasing to the eye. Splendid. Splendid means impressive. Impressive. Hey dear, listen, you look splendid in blue outfit. Stunning. Stunning means attractive. Attractive. His dance performance was simply stunning. Well, thank you so much for staying connected with me. Thank you so much for learning and listening everything. Stay connected. Subscribe me if you like my videos. Take care.